Hello everyone, I am Sarvesh and today I am going to tell you how to make a simple animation on the app named Scratch. So open the app Scratch and go into File, set on New. So first we have to choose a backdrop. Today we are going to make a simple animation based around football. So I have chosen the backdrop and now I am choosing a sprite. Our sprite will be Ben. Ben. I like Ben very much because he is a good football player. I am changing his size into 50, making him here. Now I am choosing a soccer ball, and changing his size into 50. Then I am choosing a cat, the funny cat, and making his size in 10. You can see the cat is here, and you can see the mini cat is here, and I'm making him invincible. So our designer part is done. Then click on bell and go to event section, event extension, and we have to say here when the flag is clicked, then play the sound referee whistle, and after playing the referee whistle sound, go on control chart and get the block. Wait for 1 second and change it into 2 seconds. After changing it, then go on motion and glide 1/6 to random position. So not for random position, to soccer ball. You can see the boy will be Ben will be glide to the soccer ball. Click on control and wait for 2 seconds. Two, wait for 2 seconds and broadcast. No, yeah, broadcast message one. Mm, not message one, new message. Go. Okay, you can see here broadcast the. Then click on soccer ball and we have to say here go in event section and get this block. When I receive the message goal, then wait for 2 seconds and then wait for 2 seconds and shows glide 1/6 to the invisible cat. After gliding, play sound. From here we can add a sound. So search the sound. Um, goal cheer. You can see Ben's friend will cheer with the goal. So again go to code section and cheer. So from first, let's go. You can see how simple animation is made here. From simple to hard, we will make every type of animation. So our today's video is done here. If you like, please subscribe and like and share my all videos to your friends. For today, bye bye.